Hi! In front of me is TCL 30, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for location icon and click on it. As you can see, location is now off. You can turn it off completely by choosing close in this pop-up. If you wish to enable it, just click on the same shortcut, but you can also just go into devices settings, scroll down and choose location section over here. Following that, manage location by tapping on the switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!